rumbling, grumbling sound. And you can help me with this one if you want to, too. It's called Grumble Rumble by Siobhan Dodds. Little Roo didn't want her breakfast. She didn't want her Kanga flakes or her toast with honey. She wanted to go out to play. She bounced all around the yard with her new ball, and suddenly she heard a great big sound. Rumble, rumble. A monster, cried Little Roo, and she bounced off to tell her friend, Crocodile. There's a monster following me, cried Little Roo, but Crocodile didn't answer. She was busy eating grapes. So Little Roo bounced off to tell Snake. Grumble, rumble. There's a monster following me, cried Little Roo. But Snake didn't answer. He was busy munching on an apple. So Little Roo bounced off to tell Elephant. There's a monster following me, cried Little Roo. But Elephant didn't answer. He was busy snacking on his peanuts. So Little Roo bounced off to tell Lion, and what noise did she hear? Grumble, rumble. There's a monster following me, cried Little Roo. But Lion didn't answer. He was sipping on his milkshake. So Little Roo bounced off to tell Monkey, but the noise was louder. Rumble, rumble. There's a monster following me, cried Little Roo. But Monkey didn't answer. He was busy chomping on bananas. Grumble, rumble. Just then Little Roo heard the loudest and most enormous grumble, rumble. She was so frightened that she bounced home as fast as she could. Mommy, Mommy, there's a horrible monster following me. And sure enough, there was the loudest grumble, rumble yet. Let me hear it. Grumble, rumble. That's not a horrible monster, laughed Mommy Roo. That's your hungry tummy. Would you like your Kanga flakes now? Yes, please, said Little Roo, and she ate all of the Kanga flakes and all of her toast with honey up. And that quieted the monster. Wow. Let's read one more book before we go to make our noisemakers. Because, as I told you beginning in the library, we like you to be quiet or use quiet voices in the library. So this book is called Please Be Quiet. I drum on the pot. Please be quiet. I bounce on the bed. Boing, 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 boing. Shh. I go really fast on my skates. Zoom, 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 zoom. Please go outside. I run down the path. Thump, 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 thump. I swing on the gate. Creak, 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 creak. Let's play. I hop with my friends. We waller and crunk. We roll in the grass. That looks like fun. I jump in puddles. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Come in now, says Mom. But please be quiet. So Little Penguin runs upstairs, climbs up, gets in his top drawer in the dresser, and gets out a pair of socks. So when I skip with socks on, don't hear any noise. Good thinking. Clever you, says Mom.